Time now for The Law Down, where personal injury attorney Brooke Goff shares advice on important legal issues. Today, we are lucky enough to be in the brand new Goff Law Studios. Attorney Goff, thanks so much for having us.
Welcome.
What a beautiful space.
Thank you. I appreciate that. A lot of hard work went into it, but we're happy it's here. So.
Yes, and today we are talking about dog bites, something that we tend to see a lot this time of the year, more people outside.
Yeah, it's definitely a seasonal thing. It happens all year round, but a lot of people are outside and a lot of dog bites happen outside during these times. I think what's most important about doing the commercials is not to say, hey, hire me, hire me. Do I think you should? Absolutely. But you need to know why it's important to have a lawyer for the cases. Because I think just as a lawyer saying, oh, you need a lawyer. Well, of course I'm going to say that, right? I'm a lawyer and I benefit from people bringing the cases. But I'm not telling people that because of that. I think that they need to know the reasons behind it. And in Connecticut, we're a strict liability state. So if you get in a car accident, you have to prove, and somebody rear-ends you, and then you get injured. You have to prove that the person rear-ended you, and them rear-ending you caused your injuries, right? You have to prove causation, then damages. In a dog bite case, we skip right over causation. We go right to damages. So in my world, it's called a hearing and damages. So it's not that, oh, the dog bit me. Okay, so we know the dog bit you. We don't have to prove that the owner knew that the dog was dangerous, that the owner knew the dog would bite, that the dog's ever bitten anybody before. We jump right to, okay, dog bit Jane. How much is that case worth based on Jane's injuries? That's dangerous to an insurance company. Imagine, dangerous, because they can't even take anything into account, a jury, as to whether, oh, well, but what if the owner, didn't know or whatever. They don't. They just jump right to the hearing and damages. So a lot of these cases settle before they ever even get anywhere near a jury. And there's usually not enough insurance, by the way. And, it's important that you have a lawyer that's working with you through the process. If you can get, let's just say, $10,000 on your own, fantastic, right? $10,000.
Yeah.
But what if I told you that that's an insurance company's MO, and if there was $100,000 of insurance and the injury was significant enough, that $10,000 is now $100,000. Wow. The attorney gets a third of the fee. You take 33 from 100, you still get more than 6 times what you would have gotten on your own.
Right.
And you don't leave anything on the table. The other thing with dog bites that are difficult is finding out who owned the dog. So you're jogging up a street and dog bites you. Who owns it? Right. So first thing you need to do is you have to call animal control. They'll come out. Number one, they make sure the dog is quarantined for safety purposes, but they also typically identify the owners. And then they make a report, and we use that report for the insurance company. Some people don't have insurance. If they don't have insurance, you are out of luck. But a lot of people in Connecticut do. Homeowners, renters have insurance. And I would say, the other thing that a lot of people don't really consider, they're afraid the dog's going to be put down. In Connecticut, we don't operate that way. I've had, believe it or not, animal control reports come in and a dog has bit 6 other people, and they're still here to bite the 7th. So I would not have that be a concern. What you need to be worried about is this dog bit me. If animal control is not informed and the dog is not quarantined, how am I going to feel if I open the newspaper a year from now and see they took a digit off of a child, right? It's awful. So do your part, get animal control involved. It's going to identify insurance sources. It's going to identify defendants. It's going to put you in a position so that you can get compensated for your injuries.
All right. All really great advice. Attorney Brooke Goff, thanks so much.
Thank you.
GoffLawGroup.net if you would like to learn more. We will also have all of this and more at WTNH.com.